Head above water, barely breathing. Try to stay still, but I'm sinking. Every movement makes me tense. Water rippling makes no sense. Always thought I knew the way, control every single day. But here I am, going down. Can't fight the water, might just drown. Something pulls me deeper still. Fighting just makes it worse. Maybe I should just let go of this need to rehearse. Why can't I flow? Why can't I flow? Why can't I flow? Just let it go. Why can't I flow? Trust in the flow. Why can't I flow? Let the water hold me up. Just breathe. Let my body find its way. Been so rigid for so long, always thinking I was strong, but strength ain't about the fight. Sometimes giving in feels right. What is teaching me tonight? How to bend instead of fight. How to trust what I can't see. How to just allow and be. Why can't I flow? Why can't I flow? Just let it go. Why can't I flow? Just let it go. Why can't I flow? All this time I've been afraid of losing ground, but maybe floating's how I'm saved. Just looking down, and my reflection getting clear as I slow down.